In this video, I'll show you the fuse box locations actually, because there's two of them on your Outlander 2013 to 2021. The first one is in the driver footwell on the left side. You see there's a panel here. You may remove it with your finger. If not, take a flathead screwdriver, insert it there, and you should pop it out this way. All right, you see the fuses are right over there. And what's nice, okay, you probably wonder which fuse should I remove or replace. Well, take a look at the lid. They have a clear description of what fuse does what. It's quite nice, very precise, and it helps you know which one you have to replace. The second fuse box is located under the hood, so let's pop the hood. Actually, this model has been in an accident, so that doesn't matter. The battery should be over here on the right side, and the fuse box is this black box right over here. To remove the lid, there's a tab. Okay, there's no tab on the back really. You need to push the tab on the front. Let me show you here. It's a bit hard, but push the tab and pull the lid. It should release at a point. Here we go. So you see, it's this tab you need to push. On this cap, you also get a diagram with the fuses and some spare fuses and a tool to remove them. I'll put links in the description if you want to get more spare fuses and more tools to do stuff like that. Every time you get something through my Amazon links in the description, I get a very small commission and it supports my channel. Anyway, this is the fuse removal tool. You just have to pinch the fuse and pull. There's no secret really. And this way you'll be able to replace your fuses easily. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks again.